All right, guys, so here I've got our C3 adapter on our optic. This is what you've all seen, known forever. And I'll take the phone side of our Mag360. Got just quarter turn locks on there. Stays on forever. You got a magnetic cap that's just gonna help protect your lenses. Then on the phone side, you just have this flat disc. That's gonna be a quarter turn lock right into your disc. That locks in nicely. And then you have full 360-degree rotation of your spotting scope. So you can have this anywhere you want. Doesn't matter. Full 360. Ready to go.